Alright, just a little clutter left over, but got it put back together. My cousin Becky made that for me down to Mexico. I couldn't wait to get these presses back up and mounted, so a little tight, but I think I can work with it. There's my hand for size comparison, how far apart they are. Still got some going through to do. Neat little gun cabinet there and all that stuff right there, but got cut off. So anyway, guys, deer season's coming up pretty soon. 85 and humid. I don't know. Probably gonna sit out the first week.